work with QGIS. QGIS is open source software, and free download is a very useful tool to mapping everywhere in every part of the world, and for use also this type of .osm file. And now we have to wait in some seconds, and then we can start to work with QGIS. In the main page we have all the previously project that I work. Of course, for who started to map, this page will be empty, and now we have to push to the button of the new project, and the main window, central window, will be white. Push on the right button with APSG letters, and waiting for just a second. And we have to search the WJS84. This is a very important thing, because this is the way which the computer used to read the coordinates of our map. Of course, you haven't WJS84 in your recently used coordinate reference systems. You have to search into filter WJS84. You have a lot of reference system with this type of name. Here you have to choose the simple WJS84 APSG 4326. Makes OK. You can use this type of reference system for mapping all the dataset that come from OpenStreetMap, and of course all the geographical coordinates that come from Google. Now I have to choose in my download folder the OpenStreetMap file that I have previously downloaded, and select the layer ID 3 multipolygons. Okay, this is the multipolygons that I downloaded from OpenStreetMap main page previously, and I have to know that I can't work with this type of data inside QGIS, because it's not a file that QGIS can read and can modify. We have to export this type of .osm file and transform it into something different. Right click on map to multipolygons. Of course 2 is only mine. You have map multipolygons, and then search for export. Save feature as. You have to choose the format of the feature. We have to choose ASRI shape file. You will have ASRI shape file as default in your system. File name. We have to click and push on the button with 3 dots. Waiting a moment. Now I will go on my folder, OpenMakers folder,